Today, the 3rd of February 2021, FII bought for 2,521 crores and DII sold for -400 crores. In past 5 days, FII bought for 554 crores and DII bought for 1,655 crores. This month, February 2021, FII bought for 10,197 crores and DII sold for -2,525 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,47,256 crores and DII sold for -1,17,427 crores. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.